guys, it's stopping.
Red Yoshi here, aka Cat Go to Man's Boy and Stop in Styler. We are recording
Stop.
the church. Now,
Yes.
Come over here and focus on the clock.
That's Korey.
Yeah, that's me, Red Yoshi, also known as. I'm not really Yoshi, but yeah. There is the church. It's about to chime, isn't it?
Yes. And we're going to record it like last time, and that's my shadow.
Yeah, that's your shadow. But quick.
Oh,
It's gonna chime in 1 minute.
one thing, guys, before the thing chimes,
Yeah.
I have been banned.
From his recording.
Yeah, from my recording studio, and everything else is the
I don't know if
truth.
the church is open or closed, but yeah.
So I don't know how long I'm going to be banned for. This is probably going to be my video until next weekend. I'll probably do videos with that or some YouTuber.
Yep.
Because
the
this is
clock.
the only thing I can record with. It's Korey's iPod.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Look at it. The mirror hand looks like sword, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the our hand looks like an arrow.
So yeah, guys. Oh, good.
Just a peaceful cemetery.
So yeah,
from
I've
the
just
church.
got banned and stuff. That's all the latest news, really.
Oh, it's
That's a tree. Nice tree. That's a house.
All you focus it on the
We've
church.
got 20% of battery. This really needs to hurry up.
It is. It's nearly. It's halfway between
Come
1
on.
minute.
Come on. Come on.
It's gonna go. Oh, those dogs are so cute.
Are they pugs? Oh, it looks like Edgar and Maya.
Right, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
There we go. Korey, shush.
That's it. Oh, I didn't do that awesome tune at the end.
So yeah, that was the 7 o'clock bells. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more, please comment, like,
I was
and
doing
subscribe.
the for the strikes.
Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Ready?